Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall and remove Docker from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, first of all, just go to your Windows search option, then right over here setting, here you can see system setting. So just click on setting, and in the setting you need to go to apps, then you need to go to install apps. So here you need to look for Docker. So here you can see Docker desktop. So on the right side you will see three dots. So just click on three dot, click on uninstall, then click here uninstall again. So there you can see Docker desktop uninstalling, and here you can see a progress bar, and there you can see uninstall successful. But there is still some leftover file in your system. So in order to delete those, we need to go to our folder, then we need to go to our local disk C, and in the local disk C you need to look for program data folder. So if you do not see the program data folder, then you need to click on view, then click on show, and you need to select these hidden items. So once you select these hidden items, you will see this program data folder. So let's go inside, and here you need to look for Docker folder. So here you can see Docker desktop. So we need to delete this folder. After that, we need to go back, and you should check the program files folder over here as well if there is any Docker folder. So after that, we can just close this. Then we'll go to our Windows search option again. Then we're going to write over here run. So here you can see run. So we need to click on run, and here in this run we need to write this percentage app data percentage. Then click on OK. So this will open this roaming folder, and here you need to look for Docker. So here you can see we have the Docker folder. So we need to delete this folder from here. Then let's go and click on app data. Then let's go to the local folder, and if there is any Docker folder over here, here you can see. So we need to delete this Docker folder as well, and there you can see we have Docker secret engine. So let's delete this as well. So after that, we are going to close this. So once you delete that, it means Docker is completely removed from your system. So yeah, I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.